From broke to wealthy, your ultimate comeback guide. Yo, what's up everybody, it's Williams Gaima. And let's be real for a second. We've all been there. That moment you check your bank account and it's looking drier than the Sahara Desert. You're living paycheck to paycheck, stressing about bills, and wondering if you'll ever be able to afford anything more than instant ramen. But here's the deal. Being broke is a temporary situation, not a life sentence. I went from struggling to make rent to building a 7-figure net worth, and I'm here to tell you, if I can do it, you can too. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme because those never work. This is about putting in the work, building the right habits, and transforming your finances step by step. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get this bread. The first thing we need to tackle is that little voice in your head saying, "I can't." Because let me tell you, that voice is a liar. Building wealth starts with believing you can do it, even when your bank account tells a different story. This isn't some woo-woo self-help stuff. It's about adopting a growth mindset. It's about understanding that your current financial situation is not your final destination. Wealthy people don't think like everyone else. They don't see limitations, they see opportunities. So instead of saying, "I can't afford that," start asking yourself, "How can I afford that?" That simple shift in perspective can be a game changer. Start looking for solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Remember, your income doesn't determine your wealth, your habits do. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep, and more importantly, what you do with what you keep. Are you spending it on things you don't need, or are you investing it in your future? Start thinking long-term. Start playing the long game. You could be making 6 figures but blowing it all on fancy dinners and designer clothes. Or, you could be making half that, living below your means, investing wisely, and building real lasting wealth. This mindset shift is crucial, guys. You have to believe in your ability to change your financial situation. You have to be willing to put in the work and make sacrifices, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. Imagine the freedom that comes with financial security. So, ditch the limiting beliefs, embrace the growth mindset, and let's start building the future you deserve. Alright, now that we've got the right mindset, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get down to business. And by business, I mean taking control of your money. The first step to fixing a problem is knowing you have one. So face those finances head on. I know, budgeting sounds about as fun as a root canal, but trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. Think of it like this. Your budget is your financial GPS. It tells you where your money is going and helps you get to your destination, which in this case is financial freedom. There are tons of budgeting apps out there like Mint, Personal Capital, or even just a good old-fashioned spreadsheet. The key is to track every single dollar coming in and going out. Yep, I said every dollar. That means those daily coffees, those impulse Amazon purchases, everything. Once you see where your money is actually going, you can start making changes. And I'm not talking about depriving yourself completely. It's about being mindful and cutting back on the things that aren't serving you. It's all about having a plan, people. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. So ditch the fear of budgeting, embrace the power of tracking, and watch your financial situation transform right before your eyes. Chapter 3. Side Hustle Superstar, Boost Your Income, Level Up Your Life. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, making more money. And no, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or finding a magical money tree, though wouldn't that be nice? I'm talking about the power of the side hustle. Now I know what you're thinking. Williams, I'm already working my tail off. I don't have time for another job. Hear me out. A side hustle doesn't have to be another full-time gig. It could be something you do for a few hours a week, something you genuinely enjoy, and something that brings in extra cash. We live in the age of the internet, people. There are endless opportunities to make money online. You could freelance your skills in writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, you name it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are teeming with clients looking for talented individuals like you. Got a knack for teaching? Share your knowledge by creating online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to monetize your expertise. If you'd rather be out and about, Try gig work like driving for Uber, delivering food with DoorDash, or even walking dogs with Rover. The beauty of these platforms is that you can set your own hours and be your own boss. And then there's the world of digital side hustles. Affiliate marketing, content creation, flipping items online, the possibilities are endless. Start a YouTube channel, launch a podcast, build a following on Instagram. The key is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a money-making machine. Here's a tip: start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one side hustle that resonates with you and focus on building it consistently. Chapter 4. Save and invest. Watch your money grow. Alright, so you've shifted your mindset, you're mastering your money, and you're boosting your income with a side hustle. Now it's time to make that money work for you. That's right, we're talking about the magic of saving and investing. First things first, let's talk about the importance of an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, your peace of mind in case life throws you a curveball, because let's be honest, it usually does. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in a high-yield savings account. Now for the fun part, investing. I know, investing can seem intimidating, especially when you're just starting out. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. There are tons of beginner-friendly apps out there like Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash that make investing accessible to everyone. The key is to start small and focus on long-term growth. Don't get caught up in the hype of day trading or trying to get rich quick. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, invest in low-cost index funds and ETFs that track the performance of the overall market. And here's a pro tip: automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This way, you're consistently putting money aside without even having to think about it. Remember that simple rule: pay yourself first. Every time money hits your account, a piece of it should go straight into your future. Chapter 5. Level up your life. Consistency is key. Congratulations, you've made it to the final chapter. You've learned about mindset shifts, budgeting, side hustles, and investing. Now it's time to put it all together and create a life you love. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, setbacks, and breakthroughs. The key is to stay consistent, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Keep learning and growing. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos. Absorb as much knowledge as you can about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and support your goals. Find a mentor, join a mastermind group, or connect with like-minded individuals online. Having a strong support system can make all the difference on your journey to financial freedom. Review your goals regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life is constantly changing, and your goals should evolve with you. Don't be afraid to pivot, adjust, and fine-tune your plan as you go. And most importantly, be patient. Building wealth takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Your journey starts now, and there you have it. My blueprint for going from broke to wealthy. Remember, this is just the beginning. The real work starts now. It's time to take action, implement what you've learned, and start building the future you deserve. If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more blueprint content. Until next time, forward ever, backward never.